Perplexity might be the biggest traffic source you're not tracking yet. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by Texas CMO. Everyone's talking about Google, TikTok, and ChatGPT. Meanwhile, Perplexity is quietly becoming the AI-powered search engine that real users, not just tech people, are starting to trust. If you haven't used it yet, Perplexity is basically search and chat in one. You ask a question, it summarizes the best answers, and here's the key: it cites real sources and then links back to them, so you can know if it's hallucinating or not. That means if your content shows up in Perplexity summaries, you can get direct, qualified traffic without ranking number one on Google. And now their new Comet browser, built around this experience, it's not just an app, it's a full ecosystem that's stealing time away from Chrome and traditional search. I have been a Chrome user for 10 years. In the last week, I have switched my default browser twice, and one of the reasons was Comet. It's better than Chrome. So what does that mean for marketers? You need to start treating Perplexity like an early stage SEO opportunity. Focus on writing content that clearly answers specific questions, using strong, factual, and well-cited data. That is key. And your brand name and your domain name need to be visible in your copy. Talk about yourself so that it stands out in those AI summaries. And keep your content clean, structured, and easy for AI to read. That means proper headlines, schema, and clear value statements up top. It's a mindset shift. Perplexity isn't just a tool for curious users, it's a referral engine in disguise. If you can be part of the answers it gives, you'll capture traffic before your competitors even realize it exists. Think of it as getting in on Google in 2003, but this time with AI at the wheel. So don't wait for everyone else to notice. Start optimizing for AI search visibility now, before Perplexity becomes the new homepage of the internet. Perplexity isn't just another AI tool. It's quietly becoming the next big source for organic traffic. And that's your Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by Texas CMO. For more information, please visit www.texascmo.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'd love to hear any ideas you have for a future Marketing Minute.